Hello. Today I'm gonna show you how to scan documents and make PDFs on iOS. First, you need to go to the notes. Now I have to put password, create a new note. Swipe like this, click on this icon, then scan documents. Now you just need to make a photo of the document you need to scan. I don't really have any close to me, so I'm just gonna do a photo and keep scan. Save. Now you just click on this icon right here, go to save to files, and here you can change the name of it if you want. I won't, and click save. That's it. I have the same name already, so that's why it popped up. I'm gonna just replace. I hope I helped you. Thanks you for watching. I hope you subscribe to our channel. Bye!